All right. So today is our Sunday free fun aging call. And today the topic is peace versus violence. Is that the topic now? So all the DJCCs and all the past juniors that we functioned from, would you be willing to destroy and unkid them all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, all 100 shorts, boys, provides, basics, questions, and beyonds. And peace is one, I was very intrigued when I found out that peace is one of the distractor implants. What are the distractor implants? Anger, rage, fury, hate, blame, shame, regret, guilt, addictive, compulsive, obsessive, perverted points of views, love, sex, jealousy, peace, life, death, living reality, fear, doubt, business, relationship. It's funny that all these are distractor implants. They distract. What does distractor implant mean? They distract you from who you are. They distract you from the life that you is available to you. They distract you from the being that you are. You are an infinite being. You are in communion with the whole universe. You're one with the whole universe. And when there is that sense of communion that we function from, peace is not far away. Peace is out of the window the moment you are in fight, in violence, in making yourself right. And peace is not about making yourself happy. Peace is not being manic, having manic joy of it all. It is the presence of being you. When you are being you, aren't you at peace? When you're getting or having, when you're in one with everything. Every molecule structure in the, hi Mamta, in the world is inundated with consciousness. If you are communion with all things, everything we talk to responds back. You are in communion with everything. In fact, you can control everything. That's what that control that I'm talking about is Raz refers to in How to Become Money. But we are not taught that. We are not aware some of it. Even when we are aware of it, we are so entrained into living the life that we have seen people living, or living the life that, oh my God, I didn't start the Insta live. So Insta live is on too. And today is our Sunday fun aging call. And the topic is peace versus violence. So I was just saying that if you are in communion, you are an infinite being, and if you are in communion with the universe until you choose not to be. You are one with everything because everything is consciousness. You recognize, it's so easily recognized that plants communicate with you. It's the same molecules that we are, and everything else is made in the universe. So that means we are in communion with everything. And communion is a sense of peace, of joy, and the joy of peace. It's not about I'm peaceful because I'm happy. It's not about choosing to portray yourself as manic happy. It is the presence of being you. If you are in communion with all things, everything will communicate with you. And you can have it all. You can control it all just by being in sync with them. Just by in a dance, like you dance, you can control you can be the leader, and you can also let the other person be the leader. It's like the dance of communion. And that is what I get is peace. Peace that we are all looking for, but I don't know where we are looking for. One thing I've realized, whenever that I see a turmoil and upset, or somebody is angry with around in me, and I try to make it peace with them. अच्छा ऐसे कर लेते हैं, अच्छा agreeing or cutting off parts of you to, and we think we will get peace. Tell me, how often has it worked in your reality? How often you have let yourself go and people have been, and you have received peace? By trying to make peace, you don't get peace. It never works because peace isn't real. We choose. When they are not at peace, taking you out of peace will not help them to choose it. So many people accuse you of, तुम्हें फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता, इतना कुछ हो रहा है, कि वो उनके अंदर हो रहा है. Whenever somebody is accusing you of something, they will always accuse you of what they are actually doing. Isn't it? You don't have to buy into their reality. You have to choose for you. Like in Access, we say make waves, not peace. Because this world does not like peace. जब भी आपने किसी को किसी सिचुएशन में पीस करने की कोशिश करी है, what has happened? It has fallen back to you. It stomped you into dust. So please be you and change the world. That is all we can do. When you run, when I run, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. When I start to it, I get into that acoustical vibration where peace is for me. What is it for you?
It has worked a lot for me. Every day in the morning, at night, I'm saying, and मेरी vibration या मेरी energy change हो जाती है. I suppose.
Exactly. It's this sense of expansion. It's this sense, solidity जैसे खत्म होती जाती, जैसे diminish होती जाती. Hi Param.
Good morning.
Good morning. You get a sense of
I'm lying down, Malish.
You get a sense of peace. You are in total gratitude. और जब आप स्पेस में होते हो तो फिर और कुछ क्या फील करोगे उस वक्त? पीस है. You don't have to make it significant. It just is. जब हम सिग्निफिकेंट बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं फिर वो निकल गई, उसको हमने जज कर लिया. You, as much as you choose, you keep getting more of the space in your life, more of the knowing, more of gratitude, more of awareness. हम लोग कहते हैं कि कोई बॉडी में कुछ सेंसेशन होगी तब पता लगेगा कि हम पीसफुल हैं कि क्या चल रहा है. नो, awareness is space, peace is space, expansion. We will not choose that, and we will choose violence for what reason? Because we think हम कुछ कर रहे हैं. कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा, सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है, अंदर कोई टर्मोइल ही नहीं है, तो लगता है लाइफ ही नहीं है. And gratitude creates more space. The more you become space, the less intense feeling you have in your body. आपको लगता है हम कुछ करें किसी के लिए, कुछ लवी डवी, you get punched on your face. To cook things for my children on Sunday and make them, hey, get up. And हमने थोड़ी बोला बनाने के लिए, मेरी छुट्टी है, सोने दो हमें. What are you doing? Ask a question. Will it create greater? All your judgments about what you like and what you have decided and concluded that this is the beauty and this is peace for me, that's not. Because you decided, because you judged, that's not. You're at peace when there is no judgment. When you are in allowance, everything is an interesting point of view. When you're space, everything then expands and opens up and you can see possibilities. Your perception opens up. If you don't go into your head, you have all laid out all possibilities. You can perceive everything, know everything, be yourself, and receive. These are the 4 elements for life. Are the space of knowing, the expansion of perceiving, the joy of being, and the intensity of receiving. Are you choosing that? And intensity is not always bad. It could be the joy of it. Look at the world going insane, especially India, Pakistan. When we limit our thought, our feelings, our stories, when they were running those things, they stop us from creating the brilliant stuff that everybody, each one of us, each one individual infinite being can create. How much weirdness have you been perceiving or receiving in the last couple of days? Is not actually yours. You are aware. It's in your face. Now, are you going to panic and get connected with all those people who are panicking and create that energy around you? We are reflective reality, where you reflect, try to create a reality where you reflect, respond. And that respond is even more weird. If you didn't have to respond, if you didn't have to look into these WhatsApp and news and give the same, and what, couldn't you be that powerful to diminish it? You always have choice. You can choose to be who you truly be. When you really have you, then you have the chance to create something different. Then you have the chance to do something different. Hello, Dr. Saab. Welcome.
Thank you.
Today the
The
topic
moment
is,
I joined, I felt you were talking to me only.
yeah, I'm talking to you. Yes. That's when you have the chance to do something different. That's when you have a choice to create what you'd like as your life. And that's when you start to have a lot of fun. Kamal, who has fun? Not allowed. How much are you aware of? Can you return all that drama to the sender with consciousness attached? You must have heard about the story. I think it's been told many times in access classes. Gary says there was oil in US in, I think, a few years back in the sea, and they communicated with all of us. That time we were hardly any people. Now we have, I think, more than 100 times of the people that we were there at that time. And just we all got emails saying at this particular time, we didn't even have these numbers, so many 20, 30 numbers now that we have. We had only 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. And we said, okay, let's do 1, 2, 3. We got a call saying, let's do 1, 2, 3. And at this particular time, all of us together. We did. And the oil vanished. They didn't know how. They said, koi micro था जिसने खा लिया, कोई they're still wondering what happened. I'm not saying it was only us. There are a lot of other energies on the planet which desire ease, joy, glory. And what are we willing to do now for this war? I think I heard yesterday there was some peace, was it? Somebody, I don't know. I don't see news. I don't know anything. Don't buy into this reality, guys. Anybody has any questions?
Can I share my experience? एकदम छोटा सा है.
Yes, please go for it.
थैंक यू. एक दिन के ट्रिप पे गई थी, मेरे साथ काफी लोग थे. एक उसमें से उनका शोल्डर बहुत पेन करता था 1 साल से. तो मैं साइकिक बॉब वगैरह सुना है, तो मैंने वो ले लिया शायद। एंड पूरा हफ्ता मेरा शोल्डर इतना पेन कर रहा था, इतना कि पियर्स एज यूजुअल। एंड मुझे एकदम लगा, अरे मेरी कितनी बड़ी फैमिली है, मैं उनसे मदद क्यों नहीं लेती। तो मैंने ये 2 ग्रुप में भेजा, प्लीज सेंड ईसी। तो इतने फटाफट फटाफट मुझे मैसेजेस आए, और वो मैं बोलती गई, कुछ दवा वगैरह नहीं ली, एंड मेरा शोल्डर पेन गया एक दिन में। एंड उसमें एक था कि मैं मेरी लाइफ में कुछ राइट कर रही हूँ, जिसका मुझे अवेयरनेस है, लेकिन वो मैं एक्नॉलेज नहीं कर रही हूँ। तो दैट्स व्हाई दिस शोल्डर वाज पेनिंग। एंड मैंने आप
don't even define it.
ओके,
इसकी वजह से हुआ. Just be grateful कि हुआ. Who concluded, who contributed, who was there, who, what you said is irrelevant. It's gone. That's important.
सो थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you for choosing these tools.
Kanwal, can you say about anger?
Anger.
Because when I just joined, you were talking about the reaction part. So yeah, so I want to. I mean, I have no question, but I do get angry at times, and I react. I feel I react very immediately. I don't take a time in between to get conscious what I'm going into and all. So yeah.
How
so,
beautiful is that, that you're aware? Can you
I'm
pat,
aware, but
can you
later I
pat
get aware that
yourself
what
for
I
that?
did.
Can you pat yourself for that? How many people say, talk like you did? They say, उसने ऐसे किया, उसने ऐसे किया, मैं angry तो होना ही था, फिर मेरे को तो होना ही था angry. The problem of being happy is you can't buy judgment as real. So anything that's high, Sandy Pan, so everything in that you
नहीं,
see
मुझे सब कुछ
around.
परफेक्ट चाहिए ना, वो एक इशू मुझे लगता है कि आई मीन परफेक्शन इज अ बिग ट्रबल इन
अच्छा,
माय लाइफ।
ये तो please give it up ना. Nothing is perfect. Neither are you.
सो वही थोड़ा
It is an imperfect
बिकॉज ऑफ
perfect.
दैट ओनली आई गेट एंग्री कि ये ऐसे ही होना चाहिए, ये वैसे ही होना चाहिए, मतलब एकदम फिक्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू मेरे जा ही
तो
नहीं
अच्छा,
रहे।
ठीक है. Why are you making it wrong? Why are you making it wrong? That's simple. You did it? Okay, fine. Do it more. Amp it up. Till you are like, why am I doing? What am I getting out of it? I think you already got that.
Yeah, I am there already where I have
Yeah.
stopped going further into that, जो हो गया वैसे ही है, but still I
No, but
feel other people gets upset with that at times, like by my reaction.
why do we get angry? When do we get angry? We get angry when we see the lies around us.
Yeah.
And if you were in allowance of that, if you were in, everything is an interesting point of view. If you're really, really keen on being happy, because happiness is the willingness to create greater than what you have at the moment, current. So every time you get angry, or every time you see somebody lies, or every time you get upset, what are you doing? You're giving up yourself. You're giving up the peace that is yours. You're giving up a choice. You're giving up being you. And what do you get out of it? Nothing. Has it ever worked for you?
No.
Isn't it insanity? They keep doing the same thing again and again, thinking it will work next time. It's not real. It's a distractor implant. It distracts you from who you truly be. anger is a force people use to control others. So are you using this to control everybody? And have you been able to control anybody?
No, no, we can't control anybody really, and we should not even
एक
try.
एंगर का एक ही पर्पस है, to stop you from being present. Like you said, immediately I did. हम लोग कहते हैं 1 से 10 गिन लो बोलने से पहले. Ask a question. What is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? Once you get that anger is a distractor implant, you can clear it from your universe or anybody else's in no time. By just saying all that stuff with Shiku implant and underneath that POC and POT. The Shiku stuff underneath the anger is what holds it into existence. Once you clear that, keep saying it. If you have to say it 100 times, go for it. Hi, Neera.
Hi. Since 8 o'clock, मैं 7 बजे से कमल सोच रही थी एक कॉल अटेंड करूं. But
I know
but
वैसे होता
whatever
है,
time.
टाइम आता है कुछ काम याद आ जाता है.
हाँ जी, I got two maids all of a sudden, and then they are helping me clean up some stuff. But anyways, I know I'm being recorded. You continue. Thank you.
So I
Thank
was
you.
talking about when you want to clear the whole that energy. So
Yes.
just say all the stuff with the Shiku implants underneath that.
Yes.
I POC and POT. The Shiku underneath that is the anger.
Yes. Yes. All the hidden, secret, all unknown, wo wala na?
Yeah.
Sara. Yes. Yes.
And once you clear that, even the other person gets clear. They will stop being angry.
Interesting.
You just have to do it underneath. कोई एंग्री पर्सन है उसको रिएक्ट करने के से ये बोलना शुरू कर दो, यू विल सी दे विल आल्सो गेट काम.
Thank you so much for the reminder.
And also we also use anger as a force to make us do what we don't want to do. Because when supposing in your office or in your house somebody is not working well and you want to throw them out, you will get angry rather than throw them out. You want to fire somebody, you will not do that, but you will get angry at them. And if somebody can't release anger, the question to ask is someone lying to me? Is it a distractor implant? So there are two things that will make you look at somebody who's lying and you get angry. But Gary says, be grateful that you know that person is lying. Now you know how to use that to your advantage. So please, please, please get that you are not at wrong ever. Never, never wrong.
Thank you for that.
Yeah, just ask a question. We grapple it all up and make ourselves wrong and sit in the corner and go in the dumps. Why did I do that? Because, oh my God, I shouldn't have done that. How bad am I? No, darling, you're not bad. It's a distractor implant. We have never been taught to how to get out of it. You make it real. You make it real by choosing what others are choosing. You make it real by if you have the intensity and the violence and the anger that everybody else is functioning from. वो भी कर रहे हैं, मैं भी करूं. उसने मेरे साथ ऐसे किया, मैं भी ऐसे करूं. That's what the distractor implants are designed to get you to do. That's this reality's point of view. What is this reality's point of view about peace? ये सब मार देंगे ना, फिर हमें peace हो जाएगा. You have got to fight for it. Kill those suckers so we can have peace. There is somebody who's got this. Sandeep, can you make your mute yourself, darling? There's disturbance. Sandy Pan, I am going to mute you, darling. But that's such an insane point of view. You got to fight for it. How many of you think that everywhere you get something that you want, you have to fight for it? If I don't fight, I'll never have peace. They will keep doing what they are doing and I will never have peace. I have to kill them. I have to fight back. Everything that brought up, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, provide basis, equations, and beyond. It is artificially we create intensity and we choose anger. What stupidity are you using to create the invention and artificial intensity of anger you are choosing? And everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, provides, bases, equations, and beyond. Mind is actually a very dangerous thing. That's why we say waste it. If you're thinking, you're stinking. माइंड तो बस वही डिफाइन कर सकता है जो आपने उसके अंदर डाला. इट्स योर ओन सॉफ्टवेयर. इट कैन ओनली डिफाइन द लिमिटेशंस ऑफ व्हाट यू ऑलरेडी नो. It cannot go beyond the limitations of what you are now aware of. It cannot take you where you want to go. If you want to go beyond the limitation, it will hold you back. It will not let you go. You can't have a different point of view from your mind.
Can I ask a question, Kamal? Thank you so much for this.
Sure, please go for it.
So, Kamal, what about the suppressed? I understood so well, not understood. I got the energy of the anger that you're talking about and how all the shiku and how to dissipate it and how the intensity. Going for me, मेरे को ये awareness आई कि over the years, I have so much suppressed anger. बहुत अच्छी तरह सीमेंट करके उसको इनविजिबल बना दिया. शिकू आ जाता है उसमें. I got it. पर वो अवेयरनेस आई, बस इतना उसको छुपा के रखा है because it was so wrong in my world while growing up.
Yeah.
कि लड़के गुस्सा नहीं करती. That was the main thing.
Yeah, thank you for asking that. That's what in the beginning, I think you were not there when we said that get angry, yaar. Why are you making it wrong? Nothing is wrong. You're angry, get aware of where you're functioning from and choose what works for you. When you do not do that, when you buy into these lies and you judge your reactions and actions, that is when you become a pressure cooker. We didn't know it was a distractor implant. We didn't know that it was wrong. We didn't know that nothing is wrong. We didn't know that that's taking us away from us. We didn't know we were losing ourselves. Once you are aware of all this, and you require to be angry at some point to get your work done, go for it. If nothing was wrong or right, what would you choose? What works at that moment? What works at that moment? We don't talk about in Access about suppression. It says be you. Being you is, if you're angry at this moment, don't control it. Go for it. If that works for you. But does it always work? After doing that, you come to know it doesn't work. Then you have a choice to choose something different.
Thank you.
Everybody says you learn by your own experience. Nobody learns by anybody else's. You were not saying it because you made it wrong. We don't like peace. We are liars. How many people here like peace? None. If we really liked peace, we would know. We would choose. We are confused. Peace destroys limitations. We have learned to be destructively peaceful. We use our brain to bring in order to have no peace and no joy in our lives. You can be angry and still be peaceful. And everything doesn't allow you to have that and be that and recognize that and choose that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? If you were perceiving everything, you have the ability. You have the ability to be aware in every now moment. We solidify things, we make them significant, they make them important, and then get angry. Nothing is important, nothing is right, nothing is good, nothing is bad. I am the topmost priority, and I will choose everything that doesn't take my peace away from me. I always give an example of a buffet is laid out. Do you get angry why this thing is there and why that thing is there? You just go around, choose what works for you and eat. You leave what doesn't work for you. You don't get angry at what that's all doing. It's not personal. Nobody is ever doing anything to you. They are just being themselves. They are just being themselves.
Kamal, I have a question.
Yes, please go for it.
Like we are talking about peace, talking about anger. What the exact thing when, say, two of
आपको पता है ना कि आप क्वेश्चन तभी पूछ सकते हो जब शक्ल दिखे.
चलो देखो शक्ल देखो. When two persons are on a different opinion, like झगड़ा हो रहा है, right? You being the elder or you being there present anywhere, maybe outside your house, at your workplace, anywhere where two people are not agreeing with each other, and you try to pacify or to make them understand the situation, whether right or wrong nahi hai pe, what it is, wo kya hai. आप पीस क्रिएट कर रहे हो कि आप एंगर को प्रेस दबाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो?
अच्छा, थैंक यू वेरी मच। पहले तो आप बोला कि आप, who are you? Who are you to interfere in anybody's affairs? Who are you to judge? Who are you to judge what is right, what is wrong? Do you even know where they are coming from?
Yeah.
Has it ever worked out when you try to sort out things? They've always sorted out and made you good for it, made you right for it.
यूजुअली नो फॉर द टाइम बीइंग, क्योंकि आप भी वहां से निकल जाते हो, यू नेवर नो उसके बाद क्या है। लाइक पार्किंग पे झगड़ा हो गया, किसी और चीज पे हो गया।
stop being God. You are nothing. Did you give your piece away there? Did that story run in your head till now?
Hmm.
What did you receive by doing that? That hype of I could solve their problem. Did you really? What have
Yeah,
you
because-
invented? What have you invented as not useless, not war, not anger, not killing, not just, not envy, not pride, not greed, rather than minding your own business? Everything that brought up, would you willing to destroy and unkill it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, all 100 shots, boys, provides basis, Christians, and beyond. If you could, if you just asked a question there, hey, am I required here? What is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? You would get the clarity of, do you even want to do anything? Yes, if they ask you for your guidance, then without making any one of them wrong, you could give them some questions to ask.
Hmm.
I don't know if I'm making any sense.
No, you are absolutely fine, but वही बात आ जाती है कि when you are in kind of out of the house society, these small thing, घर के अंदर तो समझ में आती है कि one needs to
घर के अंदर समझ में आता है
कि क्वेश्चन है बार बार स्लिप
बच्चे आपस में लड़ रहे हुए तो समझ में आता है कि इसको हमने बीच में आना कि नहीं आना, किसको राइट बनाना है, किसको रॉन्ग बनाना है।
अगर पहले 10 की रेशो देखो तो अब बहुत इम्प्रूव।
Yes, of course. You need to only be pat on yourself for that. Therefore, how much more aware you are today than you were yesterday. And it's nothing is wrong or right. It's just the awareness of what is required. Is it distracting you from who you truly be? Joy, bliss, and ecstasy are what we experience when we are in the space of peace, where there is no judgment. You can't have peace if there is judgment there. You can have peace if you're in gratitude for people. You can have peace when you mind your own bloody business. You can have peace when you let everything be. You can have peace when everything is an interesting point of view. You can have peace when you choose you over anything or everything. Anybody who is in your world is, oh my God, thank you. Those two people who are fighting there, wow. How does it get any better than this? And what else is possible? You have infinite possibilities there. to choose joy, bliss, and ecstasy, to walk out from there, to watch and have fun. Sometimes it's fun to watch people fight. And be grateful that you're not there.
Um, I feel if you interfere in somebody's matter, it means you are trying to make either right or wrong to them.
Yeah,
Right?
exactly.
So
You're playing
true.
God.
So true.
Neera, you wanted to say something?
Yes, yes. So true. And, like saying that senior position, like grandmother, mother, wo jo, whatever, whatever. तो बच्चे जब कॉल करते हैं ये A or B, let's call them A and B. They say ये हुआ वो हुआ. Like Hiral and like you and all of them said. So I have realized on my own that when it is right or wrong, definitely, but along with that, because they are my mirrors, right? So here I've realized one or two things while you were chatting, that awareness क्या आती है कि uh, that they are my mirrors. Okay, so is there a blame game going on? So if there's a blame game, shame going on, so where am I blaming them? So somewhere even I'm judging them, right? तभी तो
Yeah,
वो
if
एक
it is
दूसरे
in
को
your
judge कर रहे हैं
world,
ना?
if it is come to your world, you are there, you are
Yes.
involved.
So they are all coming to evolve me, to make me ask more questions about myself. Actually, it's a gift. It's a total
Yeah,
gift.
it is
And
always
just to
a
give
gift.
them questions, that's it. मतलब मेरे अभी recently भी ऐसे हुआ. So then I asked them, what is it that you want from me? What is it? So if it comes like, oh, we want your advice, so then you get into a superiority position. Oh my God. For me, it's the most dangerous thing because they'll come back to you with daggers attached.
You
You know,
said that. That is the best time to
daggers
give,
attached.
that is the best time to give them questions.
Yes, yes. Thank you for,
Oneness includes everything without judgment.
yes,
No
absolutely.
fixed point of view.
और हम कितना जज करते कितना भी बोलो करते ही रहते हैं that's
करते हैं।
okay, let's be gentle with ourselves.
Yeah.
All our lives we've judged and judged without even realizing, consciously, subconsciously, semi-consciously, jo bhi. So what, now we've become more aware, like Geeta also said, we become more aware, so let's be kind and pat ourselves for that. And now how does it get better than this, and what
How
else
does
is
it?
possible?
Like you said, stop pressing and be kind to yourself. Yeah. It's not truth. It is not this reality. It just is. Now, how are you going to deal with it? How are you going to approach that?
So true, Kaval. So now, when, like you said so beautifully, anger and tears, anger और tears को बहुत wrong बनाया. रोना नहीं, all that. Okay, मैं भी बहुत करती थी as a mother, as whatever. So now I realize, oh, I can cry. Oh, I can get angry. And I've
Yeah.
realized with that energy of anger, when required, it dissipates.
It
वो
is.
रहती ही नहीं है. It's
Yeah.
not there anymore. Within few seconds, it's actually come to go.
Yeah.
And
you get more aware.
I become more aware. I say, oh shit, I was angry and I was angry. It's just an emotion. Both क्या हो गया? Emotion ही तो था. इतना उसको seriously, इतना उसको significance क्या देने की जरूरत?
That also going into figuring it out.
Yes.
Just ask a question. What was that? Oh, it didn't work. Stupid choice. What next?
Yes.
You get to laugh more. You struggle less. You don't go into drama. Drama seems irrelevant today. It's like I waste my time for this for what reason? Go get your bars done. Anything that's there is for, like you said, is for you to recognize who you are and where you're functioning from. And what other choice do you have? What if the purpose of life was to have fun? Having fun with getting angry. So there is sent a request to be on your live. Hey, Pradhaman, you want to be on live? You want to ask a question? If you do, please let me know. I will make you join. Hey, Varsha.
Well, I wanted to ask, how was your Access Foundation,
It is
Global
still
Access Foundation
going.
experience?
Today is the last day. It has been really amazing and yummy, and the energy is with everybody. And we got 3 free calls. We got an ESC free, and we got a, I don't even remember the names now. The Earth. I will write it in the group and let you know.
Yes, please.
It's still going. Today is the last day. It starts at 1.
Yeah, but it must be an amazing experience, right?
It's
To
always
connect
is.
with
It always is.
connect with.
I have been attending Global Foundation from last 15 years, every year. We have to attend. We facilitators have been facilitator for 15 years. No, not 15, 13, I think. From 15th, 2014 onwards. And so I have really enjoyed this and so many more, but these are really amazing with the energy. And this is a rewrite, foundation rewrite. Thank you for asking. How many of you have done biomimetic mimicry body process on yourself? How many of you have done body processes? Only Neera and Doc.
We have done.
Param has also done. Yeah.
Mhm.
Awesome. So please get, if you can, if you have somebody, if you go for SWAPs, eradication and elimination and dissipation of biomimetic mimicry of other people's pains, pathways, and realities to run.
Okay.
I want to share something actually about the
Go for it. Go for it.
body, about
So
the
there's
body.
1 minute before I go to you.
Okay.
There is a hand up before that. Yes,
Yeah.
Sandy Pan, you have a question?
No, I was just raising the hand to say that I have done body processes.
Oh, okay. Cool. Yes, go for it.
Yeah, nothing actually about the body class. When I attended, it was my first body class in Mumbai, and I forgot her name. She was the facilitator, and
Which year you're talking about?
I'm talking about the body class.
Which year?
अभी मुंबई जब मैं गई थी, when it was this year
Kalpana?
only.
Did Kalpana?
Yes, Kalpana, sorry, उनका नाम मुझे याद नहीं रहता. So I just see, as a doctor, no, I have a lot of point of views about key classes, कैसे होता है, about the medical thing and all that, So I did have a lot of point of views about the therapies also, like how it can help to patients, because my point of views are around patients most of the time, as I keep being around the patients and diseases and all that. तो मुझे बॉडी क्लास में बहुत अच्छा नहीं लगा कि उन्होंने कुछ भी नहीं बताया, मतलब she did not explain any body process at all, not even single process. She did not open her mouth at all in 3-day class. And when we were asking about it, she was telling you have to be aware of what you are asking and no need to understand any of the processes and all. So I was very angry also after the class. But surprisingly, after the class, for a few days, it was very difficult for me to even be around anybody. I was so frustrated with everything. Maybe it was shifting and changing something in my world. And then I went to check my eyes actually, and I was having the cataract in my left eye since my childhood, and I was not able to see properly from far. And I was never getting the power basically for my glasses for my left eye. And I was not able to read from far. That was my one problem, but I never realized it, and I was never working on it also, because I knew that it was said I cannot treat that. Either I go for surgery and it is very risky. So my vision has got changed after that. I just had to go to the doctor and get my eyesight checked, and I got a clear vision. Actually, I'm able to read everything. तो मुझे सिर्फ ये मेंशन करना था कि body processes are I mean access is so beautiful where sometimes when we stop thinking and stop being logical only it works really, I feel. And
Yeah, I relate to you. I also, when I attended in 2013, Susan Laserhart had come. I went to Bombay to attend this. I was also upset because they never did anything. They never told us
कुछ
anything.
भी नहीं बता
But
रहे.
over the years, I have learned that thank God they didn't tell us anything.
Yeah,
Because when I tell you something and you buy into it, you
Yeah.
block it, you may limit it, you cannot go beyond it. That is why they do not explain that you please whatever experience you have, and if
Yeah.
you have created a miracle, let them know, so then they will add that. If there are any body processes which have some explanation written there, that's because people have received that. That's because people have experienced that.
Yeah.
So they want you to, we are all individuals.
Yeah.
You do a money class and your body starts to function beautifully. You do a body class and your relationships start to improve. Because
Yeah,
these
that is
clearings,
true.
these clearings are all clearings that take away all the limitations, points of views, belief systems that we have stored and locked in our body. And when they release you flower like the being that you truly be, and things start to change. I removed my specs in 2013.
Wow.
All my life I wore specs. I was in 7th class when they told I couldn't go. That was also
Yeah, even my right side eyesight also has reduced. The power has reduced. I was surprised, like so many years, it has keep on increasing. Now it is decreased suddenly. I mean,
just imagine how
Yeah.
magical it is. And if you start acknowledging it, like you acknowledged it with all of us here, thank you so much. When you start acknowledging it, universe
Yeah.
says, yay, is bachche ko aur do.
Yeah.
You would do the same with somebody who come to your house and acknowledges you. You will want them to come again, and you would want them to do for them more. But if they don't acknowledge it, you say, forget it, I'm not going to call them again. Right? So the
Yeah.
same reality is everywhere around. If you acknowledge, so please acknowledge this and see the change that it starts showing. When we don't acknowledge it, when we are in anger and we
Yeah.
don't receive the call, we don't receive it completely. You're lucky you did, even in spite of not feeling right about the call and not telling them anything. You still
I have deleted my swap group. I used to have a regular
imagine.
swap at my clinic, and I said, everybody, I don't want any more process, nothing. And then I was being in question, what it is all this? I mean, I'm
But
not
that
able to
question
get.
helped. That
So
question.
it was like about my eyes was telling you, go and check your eyes. So then I felt like, okay, I want to change my specs. And I just went randomly, and this got like, oh my God.
You
what I
didn't
have
go randomly. You
Yes.
knew, you were aware.
Yeah. Yeah.
Your body was telling you. Like you
Yeah.
said, we all have that point of view कि इसका तो अब ऑपरेशन ही कराना पड़ेगा और ऑपरेशन से भी पता
Yeah.
नहीं ठीक होगा कि नहीं. But once you start coming to access, you start communicating with your body, your body will keep telling you, you become healthier, you don't require
Yeah.
so much of medicine. Please inculcate this into your practice, your
Yeah, yeah.
medical practice.
And after that, I have changed. One lady was coming to me. She was on dialysis, and now her dialysis sessions are reducing actually with the body process.
How
Her,
does it
that
get any?
water
This is
retention is
magical.
reducing. I was like, oh my God.
Yeah.
So
Your
things
point
are.
of view creates your reality.
Yeah,
अगर
yeah.
किसी के लिए access काम नहीं कर रहा, तो please check into your point of views.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is.
ये 9:10 हो गए.
Oh my God,
Record.
sorry.
आप एडवांस मनी बुक कब करवा रहे हो कमल?
Yeah, even I want to
When
do.
there are enough people.
तो दो
In
इंसान
the
हो गए और
group, in the
कितना
group,
चाहिए?
keep writing it. If there are more than 5, we'll do it.
Okay, I'll put it up.
Okay, guys, bye-bye. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think 78th How to
Thank you.
Become Money workbook is going to start in another few days. If anybody is interested, please get in touch.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Hi. Thank you. And hi and bye to